Stocks plummeted around the globe this morning as concerns about the strength of the U.S. economy have spooked the market. The Dow falling more than 1,000 points.
Our Jake Coulter joins us now live in studio with what he's learned about the potential cause of the plunge. Jake?
Yeah, Kim and Kayla, a big part of this is post-weekend reaction to the July jobs report that came in on Friday, which was much lower than what economists had predicted.
I think it would be realistic to at least expect a great deal of volatility in the coming days and perhaps weeks ahead.
Professor Tim Howes runs the MBA program at Johnson & Wales University and offers some insight into what's happening with the stock market.
You know, there were expectations in place that were very optimistic. Those have been missed. They could still be okay, but that's not good enough for what was expected. And so the current stock prices, when new information comes out and it doesn't mean those expectations, the market starts turning the other way.
Expectations for numbers like the July jobs report. After months of exceeding expectations, U.S. jobs added in July came in more than 60,000 lower than economists had predicted. These numbers follow lackluster second quarter earnings reports for major companies like Intel, which has announced plans to cut its workforce. And Berkshire Hathaway chairman Warren Buffett slashed his company's holdings of Apple stock by just about half. Howes saying the psychological effect these things can have on the market can sometimes exacerbate the problem.
What can happen is a cumulative effect where suddenly the psychology of like everything's great to wait, it feels like everything's falling apart can have a larger corrective or recessionary tone to it.
Howes offering a bit of advice in the face of the uncertainty.
The best thing you can do is keep a diversified portfolio. Don't panic.
And like we said, the plunge not just felt here in the States. Japan's stock market, for example, experiencing the largest drop in 37 years today. Live in studio, Jake Coulter, 12 News.